So this is the Terransol D018 3-cam dash cam. It actually features two 4K cameras, the front camera and the back camera, and the cabin camera is a 1080p camera. You're going to get wide dynamic range, giving you vivid camera footage. Also, since it is 4K, we'll expect detail and clarity. You're going to pick up things like license plates, phone numbers, or the names on a truck, or like a business, or even businesses themselves. And as you're using it, you're going to find out that you're getting great detail and clarity through all sorts of different types of lighting environments. Especially at night, you're getting clear detail. Now, as far as the cabin camera, you have two options. You can view it with night vision on or off. On top of that, it does have a built-in microphone, so you're capturing all sorts of conversations with your dash cam. Now, how are you capturing 3 streams of video simultaneously and audio? You're gonna need a memory card with a lot of storage to capture all of that. Well, it does feature a 128 gigabit SD card, which is way more than other brands are giving you, probably less than half of that. You're not gonna worry about your footage getting overwritten shortly anytime soon. And plus, if you want, you can always take the SD card out and transfer that footage to your computer or anything else. Now, as far as looks and design, I gotta be honest with you, I like the look of this dash cam. It does feature a beautiful laminated wide display. Now, your wide display, it is gonna capture your 3 streams simultaneously, or by pressing the button at the bottom, you can view each display one at a time if you want, again, using the buttons at the bottom. If you want to cycle through the menus, you can, using the variety of buttons at the bottom again, so you can customize your camera or go through the different settings as well as connecting to the Wi-Fi of your camera. Now, let's get serious for a second. In the possibility that there may be a collision, the Terransol does have a G sensor. What that does is, again, if there's a collision, the camera will lock down the footage so it does not get overwritten, which could be valuable, especially for insurance claims or a police claim or whatever. It's locking that information so it does not get overridden. Now, the Terransol D018 does have a GPS model built inside of it, which is pretty awesome. It's capturing speed, your direction, your GPS location, and you can view all of that by taking the file out of the SD card, bring it to a software that you can download called GPS Player. There you'll be able to view your footage on your computer as well as see the embedded GPS information from the file. And of course, that makes it great for insurance claims, just in case you have to share that as well. Now, speaking about sharing, you do have app integration as well. Download the app for your smartphone and you can actually view the cameras live in real time on your smartphone, or you can go to the recordings that are on your camera and download it directly from your camera directly to your smartphone, so you can save it for yourself or you can share it instantly, which makes it very convenient. Now, as an added benefit, if you choose to get the optional step-down kit, that allows you to get 24/7 recording or event recording from your dash cam while the camera is off. Just install it to your dash cam, then connect it to your fuse box. And again, your camera is recording without your camera being on, getting 24/7 recording or event recording. So let's just say you're in an area where you want to know the things that are happening around your car, your camera is recording those events while you're not in it and while the car is not on, which is very convenient. And last, let's talk about how easy the installation is. It'll probably take about 5 minutes. And what's really cool is that the camera, it's on by a suction cup. So I can take it off, move it around in my car, give it to a friend, give it to my wife, whatever. It's not leaving a permanent mark on my windshield. And of course, it does come with all the tools to install everything. So I've got the wires hidden right here all the way to the back of my car for the rear camera. And of course, the cabin camera is installed right there on the side. Okay, let me share with you my final thoughts. First, I do find that the footage from this camera is detailed. You're gonna get all the information that you need from it, especially since you have a 4K camera in the front and the back. And I think you get a solid image from the cabin camera as well. It never hurts to have a microphone on a dash cam, and the app lets you do live viewing and quick sharing, which is super convenient. All right, hope this video helped you out. Take care, bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor, if you like this video, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.